Good morning, students. In the previous video, we discussed about the force and pressure in the chapter, and we also described the what is force, what are the effects of the force. Now we also discussed about the contact force and non-contact force. Apart from that, we also discussed that balanced and unbalanced force. Then we discussed in this chapter about the pressure. In pressure, how the pressure is affected by the area of contact and thrust. We also discuss here in the solid pressure due to the solid, pressure due to the liquids, and pressure due to the air, that is gaseous medium. Now we have the difference between the force and pressure. That is the two, these are two different concepts, and we can clarify with the following concept maps. So one is for the concept map for the force. This just you observe, that is the force, its nature and effect. So what are the nature? Force could be push or pull. It arises due to the interaction between objects and can act on an object with or without being in contact or from distance. Force has both direction as well as magnitude. Next, its effect. The force may cause change to state of rest or of an object, may cause change in state of motion of an object, may cause change in size or shape of the object. Now, concept map of the pressure. First of all, pressure is equals to thrust by area. So pressure depends on the force as well as the area of contact. If area of contact is increased, then pressure can be reduced, and if area of contact is reduced, then pressure can be increased. We have the example of the broad straps of the school bag. Here broad straps, area of contact increases, so pressure carried by the students decreases. And in the case of the knives, the area of contact is reduced too much, therefore the effect of the thrust is too much large, that is the pressure is large enough to cut the apples or vegetables. We also discuss about the pressure due to solid, that is the downward pressure due to its weight. Pressure due to the liquid, there are two types of the pressure by the liquid, that is pressure at the bottom as well as lateral, means towards the walls. Now in liquid pressure we have discussed the various activities, that is to describe the effects of the liquid pressure and properties of the liquid pressure, such as increase, the liquid pressure increases with depth, liquid pressure depends on density of liquid, liquid pressure acts equally in all directions, and liquid pressure does not depend on the shape of the container. And pressure due to gases, that is also known as the atmospheric pressure, it plays very important role in our day-to-day life. The atmospheric pressure depends on the height of the liquid column and temperature. So liquid atmospheric pressure decreases with altitude, and during daytime, when the air gets heated, it rises up due to as it becomes lighter. So the air from the colder region, that is from the heavier region, rushes to occupy this space, means in this way the liquid air pressure cause the movement of the air, that is wind or storm. Okay, now we will do some exercises related to the force and pressure. Thank you.